Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to read your paystubs in Instawork so you can understand the details of your earnings clearly. First, open the Instawork app and log into your worker account. From the main dashboard, tap the menu or profile icon to access your account options. Next, look for the Payments or Earnings section and select it. In the Payments section, find and tap on the option labeled Paystubs or Earnings Statements. Here, you'll see a list of your paystubs organized by date. When you open a paystub, you will find detailed information including your total hours worked, your hourly rate, any bonuses or tips, taxes withheld, deductions, and your net pay. Take a moment to review each section carefully to ensure the amounts match your expectations. If you notice any discrepancies or have questions about your paystub details, you can reach out to Instawork support through the app's Help or Support section. Understanding your paystubs helps you keep track of your income and verify your payments accurately. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.